Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz, right?
Yes.
Can you
Yes.
speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Okay, so are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, only friend.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No.
All right. So are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, I am healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I want to try and explore other country before because before I work in Singapore.
All right. Being a domestic helper is not new for you, knowing that you already have your working experience in Singapore, correct?
Yes.
All right. So, what is the quality of being a domestic helper?
Uh, it's so hard, but it's okay because you want to work. You need to work hard, and that's our reality, and that's okay.
Yeah. So, what is the quality of being a domestic helper?
Um, for me, is good.
Okay. So, I mean, what is a quality of being a domestic helper?
A quality of a domestic helper is a hardworking, trustworthy, and patient.
All right. So, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. Good day, ma'am. My name is Welnet B. Santander, 27 years old. I live in Estancia, Iloilo, Philippines. I have one kid. She is 5 years old, and I am married. I worked before as a domestic helper in Singapore for almost 2 years. My duty there is My duty there is cleaning the house, cooking, wash the clothes, ironing, wash the car, wash the dishes. I want to work abroad to provide the needs of my family and for the future of my kids. And I want to help. Oh yeah. And if you will choose me, I promise to do my best and to serve your family. And I promise to finish my contract. And thank you so much.
All right. So I need to know some few more details from you first. How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
He is a businessman. He's 34 years old.
Okay. So when is your birthday?
September 22, 1998.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'6", 157", and 64 kilograms.
What is your religion? What is your
Sorry,
religion?
ma'am.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I am a graduate, diploma in computer secretarial.
All right. So you mentioned that you got one kid, which is 5 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband, ma'am, and my mother-in-law.
All right. So how many brother and sister do you have?
I have two sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
Youngest.
What about your parents?
My father is a welder. My mother is this is
All right. So you mentioned that you have a working experience in Singapore, and according to your
yes,
profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Singapore way back February 2024 to January 2026, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so one more month left before you finish your 2 years contract. It means you worked there
Yes.
for 1 year and 11 months, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so what happened? Why you go back early?
Yeah, I go back early because I tell to my employer that I want to go back if it's okay because my sister wedding. Then my employer say, yeah, it's okay. That no problem, but we need to get a new helper because this house is important. Is the helper. Then if it's okay to you, then you're not. It's okay. My employer say it's okay if you're not finished contract. It's okay because that's what you want. That you want to come back in Philippines. Then then I say it's okay. Then that's it.
So you agreement with your employer that you can go back home early.
Yeah, go back early. Yeah.
So it means you are finished contract with your employer.
Yes.
All right. So I would like to let you know that working here in Singapore and Malaysia is quite different. It's a huge
Yeah.
difference. All right. Houses here is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. I don't want later that you will going to compare Singapore and Malaysia. Okay? Because
Yes.
every
Yes.
employer's got different rules and regulations, right?
Yes. Correct.
So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes. I want, but I have no experience or elderly.
Yeah, it's a yes or no.
Yes.
Can
I
you
tried.
cook? Can you cook?
Yes. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. So, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Pets. I think no.
All right. So this is a 2 years contract, same like what you did or what you have signed in Singapore. But I would like to let you know that any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, right? So this is a 2 years contract. Once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Sorry.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yeah.
You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate. And if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come. But if you disagree, it's fine. You have a lot of choices. You can choose to go other countries or just stay in the Philippines. Just let us know or tell us or please don't come if you don't like our terms and conditions so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, we can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any
Yes.
problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, correct.
I think
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day. Bye.